So hello everybody, this is again your Kapiped Janboy Valihera. So my teacher gave it again an activity to present muscular that develop of the sport. So me and my classmate choose a sports that have developed our muscular system or muscles that surround in our body. So I think to choose a very interesting field. So I choose and I decide to choose the swimming because it is more fun. It is make what we call happiness because we are swimming, we are interconnecting to the water. So what kind of muscles that develop while we are swimming, no? Why we are swimming. So based on my research, the first one that develop if we are engaging in swimming is our latissimus dorsi muscle here in our back. So if we are performing swimming, there's a lot of muscle that have strength and stretch, including our latissimus dorsi and also our bicep here, bicep, tricep brachialis. That is an examples of our muscles that we develop where we are perform a swimming. Also our ulnar and our hips because we are wiggling our hips so that we can arrive and swim move forward. And also our what we call this our deltoids. This is our deltoid is skeletal also. So we discussing only a muscular. So our arms, and also our fiber that surround in our body. So why we need to discuss what kind of muscles that develop while we performing diversity of a sport. It's because this is very important. Like for example, we are um, athlete in swimming. Then we are running. We our exercise or one up is running. So that is a wrong because if you are swimming, there's a specific muscles that you need to develop to your performance. And running is not belong to the swimming. It's because it separates our muscles that we need to develop. So this is your Janboy Valley Hera, and I again thank you for watching. I know this is a little bit twinky knowledge, but I can short it is can help you. So a good health must always exercise, eat vegetables, fruit. So thank you and mabuhay.